Hello, Tiny Titans and Lincoln Early Childhood students. This is Mrs. Gibson coming to you with a new video. Today, we're going to learn about how to make the B sound. B says ba, ba. Yes, so how we say the B sound is we put our lips together and we say ba. Touch your throat and feel your voice box working. Ba. Good. Yes. We say the B sound the same way we say the letter P. 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 Except when you say the letter P sound, P, your voice box does not turn on. It does not vibrate. P. Fill your throat and say P. No vibration. So let's talk about some things you can find in your home that have the B sound. Guess what? I have a ball. Yes. This is too little to be a soccer ball, isn't it? But it is a ball. Starts with the B sound. I also have a baseball. Yes. Let's say it together. Baseball. The baseball is the same size as the soccer ball. Look. They are the same. Let's take a look at another ball. It's a basketball. My basketball is not a normal basketball. It's also a small basketball. Can you say basketball? Ready? Basketball. There are two B sounds in the word basketball. Great. High five. Boom. Boom. Great job. Okay, here comes another ball. It doesn't have a B at the beginning of the word. It's in the middle. It is a football. Football. You say it. Great. A football, it has a different shape. It's not round like a basketball or a baseball. We call this an oblong shape. Oblong. The football is oblong. These are laces. These laces help you when you try to throw the ball, so it comes out of your hand and is able to go far to score a touchdown. Okay, let's look at another ball. Students, this is my favorite ball. It is a volleyball. Yes, the volleyball has several colors on it. It is made of something called leather. It's a leather volleyball. With a volleyball, you are able to use your hand and your arms to pass, to set, to serve, to block, and to hit or spike the ball over the net to the other team. Volleyball. So we learned a lot about many different volleyballs, basketballs, baseballs. I forgot a softball. There's a softball too. They all come in different sizes. So volleyballs and basketballs are about the same size. When you play that sport, they're about the same. A baseball is the smallest ball of all the balls we talked about. So, put your lips together. The air bursts out. Ba. Can you find a ball and take a picture and post it on the page? That's your assignment for today, and practice the B sound. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.